Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to open the watch battery cage on your Pulsar Chronograph watch. As you can see, we have this chronograph watch right here, so we have the movement. Something really important that you need to take into consideration when replacing watch batteries is the fact that you do not want to touch these coils. So as you can see, these three coils, it can have only one coil, two, and even three. So you do not want to touch them with your pair of tweezers, because damaging one of them, or the only one that you have, might permanently damage your watch movement. So as you can see, the watch battery is going to be positioned right here, and we only want to operate on this side of the watch. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use the metallic pair of tweezers. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to all the tools that I normally use, so you can check them out. And what I want to do is to insert one tip of the pair of tweezers right here, and then try to push this metallic part further away from the watch, as you can see, and that is going to open the watch battery cage. And now I'm going to have access to the watch battery in order to replace it. Then at the end, after you have replaced the watch battery, in order to close the watch battery cage, we are going to press it down just like that. You can even hear a small click, and that is going to signal the fact that the watch battery is closed. Now, in case you want to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery on your Pulsar Chronograph watch, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out, as well as all the tools that I normally use. In case you found value from this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. And in case you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.